guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look for you guys using the Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. I think that this look is perfect for the fall and winter time. It was really easy to do. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. And I'm gonna be using the Professional Primer from Benefit. And now for foundation, I'm gonna be using one of my favorites. This is the Lancome Ultra Wear Foundation, and it says that it lasts up to 24 hours and it's for real. Like, trust this, because it's gonna last you a long time. Now I'm just blending with this beauty sponge. Okay, so there we have it, and I love the coverage. Okay, so now for concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. I'll be applying it under my eyes, forehead, my nose, and chin. Okay, so now for contour, I'm gonna be using this contour stick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Truffle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this Natural Face palette from Too Faced, and this palette is amazing. Like, you need it because I love it. You have your bronzer here, your blush, and your highlight. And as you can see, I love this shade. This is the one that I'm gonna be using to bronze up my face, and the whole palette is just amazing. So if you haven't tried it, I would recommend it because it's the best. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna be using this brush. It's from Milani and I love it. Okay, so now with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm gonna be taking the sponge and I'm gonna set the concealer. Okay, now for brows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm just gonna brush them and fill them in. And now to set my eyebrows in place so they don't move, I'm gonna be using this brow gel from Milani. You can find it at Walmart. It's super inexpensive and it's really good. And now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this one. This is the Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and I did a haul like a long time ago and I just forgot to use this one, so it's gonna be kind of like a first impressions, but I did use it once and I love it. As you can see, the colors are perfect for the fall and winter time. I think that I'm gonna go for a burgundy brownish shimmery-ish look today, but yeah, I just love this palette. Like, it's super beautiful. So as you can see, the packaging is just gorgeous. So yeah, we're gonna be using this one. So the first eyeshadow we're gonna be using is this one called Crystal, and we're gonna be applying it all over the lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Transition, and it's gonna be our transition shade, and then I'm gonna go with this one that's called Hashtag. Okay, so now we're gonna go with this beautiful shade called Wine and Dine, and I'm gonna be applying it on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go again on the outer corner with these brownie points, this shade, and then a little bit of this one called Teddy Bear. Okay, so now for my lid, I'm gonna be taking this shade called Thanks a Latte. And now I'm gonna be taking this shade called Toffee, which is a gold shade, and I'm gonna be applying it on top of Thanks a Latte. Okay, so here is what we have right now. I really like it. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna be applying the same shades that we use on the crease. Okay, now for our waterline, I'm gonna be taking this gel liner from Marc Jacobs. And now for our wing, I'm gonna be using this liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. And now for false lashes, I'm gonna be using this Wispies from Ardell. Okay, so here we have the lashes. I'm just waiting for them to get dry. So now I'm gonna be taking the same Natural Face palette, and I'm gonna be taking this highlighting shade, and I'm gonna apply it on my inner corner, my nose, and I'm just gonna highlight. Okay, now I'm gonna be applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, now for lips, I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Hot Sun. And now to set our makeup, I'm gonna be taking the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay, so here we have our finished makeup look. I am in love with that palette. I think that this makeup look is perfect for the winter and fall time, and I just really like it. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!